Stepped off the train today and ukuleles start to play the original soundtrack to my day. Life among urban decay, and all the people have no face, and they all sip pink lemonade, hoping it will wash away all the things they've come to hate. But the corners of my mouth give it away. The simple things, they seem to be the easiest to overcomplicate. And everyone's a ball of clay. We sculpt each other into shapes, desperately trying to make the one who fits our empty space. It's temporary and man-made, like little shots of Novocaine. They will take away the pain while numbing every muscle.